Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. So today our topic is how to reset the website, WordPress website. So this is a website I make last day. So if you don't know where you get the tutorial of this, my previous lecture, you just simply search WordPress with Moon. You get all the videos. If you don't know where you get the local WP, this is a whole procedure I can share with you. So you can watch that video. So this is the last day I can make this template. Kindly subscribe it and share with your friend and family members. So I will go to the topic. uh, this is a website I can reset it. So it is on local WP. Okay, so I searched the simply plugin called WP reset. I'm using, oh sorry, we go to that new and just search WP reset. This is a plugin. Okay, you just install and activate it. And if you don't know where you get the plugin, this is a plugin. Just click on open WP reset tool and click on that there. And this is a pro version too. We don't need pro version. Just if you want the previous theme to, and you want to reactivate after a reset, a reactive of all the active plugins you have already have plugins like if you want to reactive the all plugins you have already. So I don't want any plugin, just I reset it. I just type reset and reset site and reset. Sorry, it's take one less than 1 minute and reset the whole site. Boom. And check this is a front end cause this whole site reset the theme too. So we just add the new theme and install the pre-made 2020 its own theme of WordPress. Just checking and activate it. Okay, just go to the front end side of WordPress. Like boom, this is a uh, pre the previous the when you get the new site, you get that website. So the second do after reset, you can go to the setting and go to the reading and click on that cause if you are in live site or in local site, click on that cause it mean you not Google index your site, and you can set the permalink. So by default you see that there is a date and name. You can click on post name. Okay, this is for today. So this is for today. Hope so you like my tutorial. If you subscribe my channel, so just search WordPress with me. You can subscribe it, like and share with friends. And I can share the links in description of Elementor. Uh, there's a sales on Elementor on and best theme and by recommended best hosting. This is affiliate links, so it's helped me to get a little bit commission. Thank you. Have a good day.